When and where did these sounds start happening?
It started happening whenever I started recording in this room, the room with the green screen, which is where I am right now.
Can you please explain the sounds that occur in your videos?
I don't know, like the noises seem to be anything like a weird water noise, like, or like some like air conditioning sounding noise, like shh, or even like these weird like thumping noises from upstairs, like. I mean, it's kind of scary, but I mean, I can handle it.
What are you gonna do to stop this problem?
You know what? I'm gonna stop this problem once and for all, and I'm gonna find out what's behind this. I'm out of here.
Wait, come back. I'm getting paid by the question.
Wake up, Larry.
What?
We need to find the cause of the random noises. Let's go. Oh God, come on, take forever.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
So, care to explain why you woke me up so early?
Well, you see, I always hear these strange noises coming from upstairs, or in here, or all these random places, and I don't know what's causing them, and they're ruining my videos, all my vlogs, everything I make. And I want to find out who's behind this once and for all.
Maybe it's Marley Jones.
Marley Jones?
You've never heard of Marley Jones?
No.
He's only the most fat face of them all. Let me tell you his story. There once was a boy by the name of Trevor. One day, while searching around his house, he found a book, the Haunted Book. He was advised not to read this book, but curiosity got the better of him and he decided to take a look. Once he opened the book, The Curse of Marley Jones was released. Trevor decided to make a video showcasing his reactions to this book. The video was so bad that Marley Jones decided to haunt him forever, thus causing the random noises while making a video.
Is this real life? Maybe I do have the curse of Marley Jones.
Yeah, I think you do.
Well, how do I get rid of it?
Well, the legend also says that the only way to get rid of the curse of Marley Jones is to defeat him and send his soul back into the haunted book.
Okay, are you sure? Because that sounds like it's from some fairy tale or something.
Well, can't hurt in trying, you've got nothing to lose.
True. Let's do it.
Let's rock. Da-da-da-da-da-da. So, this is the room that's haunted, huh?
Yep, this is my recording studio. So, where do I find the haunted book?
Well, the guy who was in the legend probably still has it. What was his name?
Hey, Dole here.
I think his name was Dole.
Dole? Well, okay, how is knowing his name gonna help us?
Well, if we could just find where he lives, then we can get the haunted book and destroy the curse of Marley Jones.
So, how do you plan on finding his home?
Google Maps.
Okay, let's see here.
Hey, it's Dole's house.
Oh, I see it right there. Wow, this is a pretty impressive house. Jeez.
Hey, Tree.
What?
Do you think Dole has, like, a bunch of cash and women in his house?
Probably. I think it's huge. Wait a minute.
What?
Something is fishy about this house. Oh my god, I think this is my neighbor's house.
Oh yeah, there's that weird tree by your
Yeah,
house.
there's that weird tree. This is my neighbor's house.
Sweet.
So, Dole lives in my neighbor's house.
Dole is your neighbor.
I would have never guessed.
Well, let's go to Dole's house.
Let's do it. So, this is Dole's house, I guess.
Yeah. Hey, Tree.
What?
You know how the house looked awesome on Google Maps?
Yeah?
Well, now it kind of sucks.
True. It does kind of suck. Hello? Hey, are you Dole by any chance? Yeah, I'm Dole.
We're looking for the haunted book so we can destroy the curse of Marley Jones.
Oh yes, it was said in the prophecy that you two would appear at my doorstep today. Yeah, I have to go. Wait, come back. I was just joking. I guess we have no choice. Oh, close the door behind you so no one can hear your screams. Okay. Has to be around here somewhere. Hold on. I got this. Oh, here it is. Okay, what do we do now? We must summon Marley Jones with the sacred chant of darkness and doom. Ladies and gentlemen, gather around. We must first chant the sacred words. We must chant darkness and doom, and it will wake the evil spirits of Marley Jones. Darkness and doom, 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 darkness and
Yo,
doom.
did someone say darkness and doom? Blue blistering barnacles,
Thundering typhoons.
cumbersome kumquats.
Oh my good God. It's Marley Jones!
Yeah, that's me. The one and only Marley Jones.
It's time to end this.
What you gonna do, man? I'm the best, man. I told you that. You can't beat me on Marley Jones from Compton. Oh my God, that's my book, boy. Whoa. You better not touch that book, alright?
It's time to die.
Oh my God! They sending me back to Compton! Deuces!
We sure jacked his swag.
Yeah, that was stupid. Let's go eat something.
Wait, guys, can I come with you? Guys, what are you doing? Why are you walking towards me like that? No.